Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our CD decks. Now first got to make sure it's on. If the screen's off, just come over here, hit the power button. You'll see welcome. It'll start to boot up. When you see no disk, that means it's ready to insert the disk. You can hit open or close, open up the tray, put your disk in, and hit open and close again. It'll then start to read in the disk. This shows that it's ready. It shows you total tracks on the disk and the time of the total disk in minutes. From here, I can use these search arrows to scrub through the disk and find the song I want to play. It will then load in the song. When you see the time remaining flashing, that means it's ready. Now from here, I'm using CD Deck 1. I come over to the console and I notice here CD Deck 1 and CD Deck 1. Now if I'm using CD Deck 2, I'll have to make sure it's in CD Deck 2 mode on the channel strip. Usually you might find it in no dab mode. But right now we're using CD Deck 1, so we'll turn on the channel, bring it up to 0. We'll come over here and when we're ready to play, we hit play and it starts right away. From here, if you're not in the part of the song you want, you can hold down the arrows. You can scrub through the song. If you wanted, you can also pause the song and then scrub through the song if you want to. From here, you can go back and play, or you can pause it or stop it, and then you can move through the other songs to find the one you want to play. I'm going to go back to 4. It'll load in again. Now I can hit play. You'll notice it's showing time remaining. This is very helpful in radio. If you want to see some other display settings, you'll notice that we're in remain. We can go in total remain. This means if you're playing the whole disc, it'll show you the time remaining on the entire disc. You can see the title or the artist if that metadata is available. Or you can show elapsed time. We usually don't do this since this isn't really helpful when you're trying to predict the end of the song. So we usually leave it in remain. From here we also have our play mode. You might notice it says single right here. That means at the end of this song it will stop and wait for next command. Or you can do random, or you can do continuous, which is what like a traditional CD deck does. So if you're trying to go, if two songs are right up against each other and they play right into each other, you're going to want it in continuous. But we usually keep it in single mode because that's usually what you want. Here we also have repeat if you want to repeat that one song or repeat the whole disc. We usually keep that off. Now if you're ready and you're done, you can hit stop. You can open up the deck, take your CD deck out, close it, and you can keep the deck on.